Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OUKITEL OKT1. Firstly, you need to access Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then select Open. Now you need to choose I accept, then confirm, continue and allow in the pop-up. Then do exactly the same on the other device. Now I need to rotate my OUKITEL real quick. And following that, select Receive on tablet and Send on an Android. Then click on all of those type of dots and select Send over here. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only one, only for example. Choose Send and click on Got it. Over here, as you can see, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on OUKITEL, choosing while using the app, and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can always just input this key over here instead and click on Receive. Now, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!